Hey guys, my name's Jessica and I am back again today with another Sound of the Day video. Today's sound is the sh sound. When we make our sh sound, we need to make sure we're doing three things. 1, keep your teeth together. Shh. 2, make sure those lips are rounded. Shh. And 3, push the air through your teeth. Shh. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and practice the sh sound. Remember our three things. Your turn. Good job. I like how you remembered all three things. Your teeth were together, your lips were rounded, and you pushed air through your teeth. Shh. Now, let's go around my house and see if we can find a few things that start with the sh sound. All right, let's go. One thing I have in my kitchen is a salt shaker, a shaker. When I need salt, I shake my salt shaker and salt comes out for me. Another thing in my house that I found that starts with the sh sound is a sheet. A sheet is what goes over my bed and keeps me warm and comfy at night. Look what I found! I found a shoe. A shoe starts with our sh sound, shoe. Hey guys, thanks again for going around my house with me today and helping me find things that start with my sh sound so I can practice. Now, it's your turn. Go around your house and see if you can find 2 or maybe 3 things that start with the sh sound. In the comments below, post pictures, videos, or type in what you found. I cannot wait to see what you find. Remember, keep a lookout for more Sound of the Day videos as we practice our sounds while we're safe at home.